Hey everybody, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be making a bowl out of this piece of cherry. I don't know what it looks like inside. We're about to find out, but I'm going to see what I can do to it to spruce it up if it's pretty plain, so stick around and see. Now, before I get started, I want to show a picture of a bowl that a friend of mine made. Chris Walters from the Stuttering Woodturner, he contacted me a while back and asked if I want to do a collaboration, and he was interested in a wood resin hybrid bowl, and so I asked him what his favorite colors were, and it's green, and he wanted some black in there. And so I got some pieces of apple that I got from Lowe's that are for smoking in a grill, and I made it similar to the blue bowl that I made, blue and apple. And he sent me a picture of it after it's finished, and he did a really great job on it. I think it looks pretty good. I wanted to put that picture up and tell you guys, go give him a visit, give him some support, check out his channel. I'll put a link up here on YouTube and in the description down below. So go check him out and tell him hey, and yep, let's get started on this one. Alright, this is kind of plain. It's pretty, but plain. So I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna try some intrinsic paints on it, see how it comes out. Alright, well, I'm hoping these look okay together. Got a purplish red, pink, red, purple, then blue, sky blue, peacock blue, and some black in case I need it. We'll see, right? It looks too bad, we can always just turn it off. So that was a purplish red. This is the pink. I think I'm gonna skip the red for now. Purple. No, it's not very purple. I will skip that one. Now we got some sky blue. Alright, now some peacock blue. Alright, we'll let those dry for a little while and go from there. All right, this is 600 grit. Just try to smooth it out a little and cut it back some. Alright, I only sanded it to 240. It's pretty smooth. So I'm gonna do some wood bowl finish and see how it comes out. And I'm gonna let that dry and put several coats on, just judging from past experience, and then I'll bring you back. Alright, so I put several coats on here, probably 6 or 7, mostly because I kept messing it up and getting runs, but it takes several anyway. I didn't put any sanding sealer on it. So this is a really nice finish. It's one of my favorites, but if you're wanting something quick, don't use this. Because it takes a while to dry between coats, but it sure is pretty. So I want to do some abrasive paste. I sanded it to 1200. I had some little it wasn't perfectly smooth, so I sanded it to 1200. Now I'm going to use some paste. Alright, now some wax. Man, I love that saw. Well, here it is. It measures about just under 7 inches across. It's about 2.5 inches tall and 2 inches deep. I don't know why it's not really showing up, but there's a little more red and blue in here than what the camera's picking up, but mostly green, as you can probably see. But thought I'd do something different. Piece of cherry. And hope you guys like it. And just like last time, I'm going to be giving this one away. So if you want to put in the comments about colors, then I will do a drawing Friday, and this will go to somebody. So if you're interested, you like it, think it looks good, you want it, then yeah, just comment colors and we'll do the drawing Friday, like I said. So on that note, thanks for watching, thanks for sticking around, thanks for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber but you watch anyway, well, that works, I get it. So you guys have a great week, have a blessed day, and stay safe and take care. See ya.